Accessibility of my current instructional materials. As I critique the materials that I use for my face-to-face instruction, I'm hesitant to even think about materials that I would post to an online learning environment. One of the most humbling experiences happened during a conference workshop. I was facilitating an iLife workshop, providing instruction about the programs GarageBand, iMovie, and iPhoto. One of the participants in the workshop was deaf. Fortunately, this participant was accompanied with two sign language translators, which resulted in the workshop being only a mild train wreck rather than a complete disaster. I attempted to provide instruction and work time for the class to develop a project in GarageBand, which was most likely an impossible task for the deaf participant during the 30 minutes of workshop time devoted to this task. As part of the workshop, I posted all of my follow-up resources, including video tutorials, on a website, but they were less than helpful without any captions. Fresh off this workshop debacle, I viewed the thought-provoking videos from this module. Beyond captioning of videos and providing transcripts, I definitely enjoyed the instruction about heading levels in documents and alternate text on web pages. I would also have appreciated additional information about creating presentations for colorblind students. My understanding is that the selection of colors for backgrounds and fonts can have a huge impact for the audience. For the time being, I try to make sure that my presentations use colors that are as high contrast as possible. Regarding the tools that I use to make curriculum accessible, I try to use a variety of software tools and web-based tools to make it easier for an audience to follow what I am doing on my screen. When I present on a Windows machine, I use the magnifier from the Windows accessories programs to make web addresses visible for the audience. I accomplish the same effect when I present on a Mac computer by utilizing the zoom feature from the Universal Access tools. In addition, I like to use the mouse posé tool to emphasize where I am on the computer screen. If I am screencasting with ScreenFlow, there is a feature that mimics the features of mouse posé in the finished recording. For accessing web page content on either iOS devices or computers, I have recommended the Readability tool to remove clutter from web pages so that students can focus on the content. After this module, I hope to add captioning to my list of common teaching tools.